Operation Manual for Single Source Evaporation Coating System. Connect the molecular pump. Connect the water chiller. Power on the system. Open the chamber. Place the substrate. Load the evaporation material into the boat. Close the chamber. Evacuate the chamber. Introduce inert gas to clean the deposition chamber. Activate the molecular pump to continue evacuation. Set the sample stage rotation speed. Adjust the current intensity. Initiate coating process. Monitor the coating process through the quartz viewport. Check real-time film thickness on the display panel. Terminate coating. Wait until the gauge reading returns to 0. Shut down the molecular pump. Chamber pressure restored to ambient. Open the chamber and retrieve the sample.